Okay, what we've got here is this 1949 Singer 151 W3. It's been converted back to a W1 standard. The W3s were typically set up as a binding machine, as evidenced by the equipment here. You've typically got a gouge out of your bed plate. The needle plate is completely different. Your center foot is clearanced for the binder, and in this case I still have the original outer foot attached to the machine. Yeah, it's the only one I have that has a serrated bottom, and it comes in handy right now for what I'm working on. This machine can take any of your standard walking foot presser feet. I've got an average assortment here of just different feet. I haven't actually used any of them for the cording, but I knew they do fit. The center foot on this one currently is one of the other ones. So it is a timing belt style machine. This one here actually has the original timing belt in it. I've got it set up on my standard table. It's a little bit cobbled together, but it does work. Okay, we get you set up here. We're just going to do a quick little bit of stitching with this machine. It is a little bit different in that the thread comes in from the right towards the left. The hook is on the outboard side of the machine. I do not have this set up with a standard guided presser foot. I'm just using the edge of the foot itself right now. It does what I want it to do for this particular project. So let's go ahead and fire this thing up. Let her eat. And of course I pitched the thread because I didn't hold it. One thing this machine does not have that I would like it to have is a guide in between this upper point here and the base of the needle. It does not have that. Oh well. Let's give this another go. I've already got this sewn together. I'm just running a little bit of a French seam here for decorative effect. Get this opened up here a little bit. Now normally what I do is I just run the first stitch or two in by hand because it's easier than dealing with it otherwise. Get that out of our way. Make sure we're still splitting the seam allowance. Let's run her back the other way. Trying to get the hook of the foot in that seam allowance. There we go. Get you down here a little bit closer. Now this is a standard walking foot machine, therefore you get yourself a very nice even stitch. There's a little bit of wobble in it, but that's just due to the fact I'm not running a guided foot. But it does produce some very nice work for what it is.